plan is relatively simple. I have a friend in need of a feed room, and I'm in need of a cabin chassis. It's really just a mint truck all the way around. Only has 157K on it. One thing about these V10s, they like every bit of the ketchup. I fed her about 10 gallons worth of petro, and that'll get this thing about 200 feet. Now you little bastards got a feed room.
Something like that. Professional leveling service.
Yeah. We put the poor in professional. The hardware loaded up. Little zip tie action on the fuel neck. You know zip tie's mint. She's got some pep to her now. Rides like a wooden wagon going across the prairie. Well, this is one of those times you gotta ask yourself, what would Peg do? And if you know who I'm talking about, you know exactly what has to happen next. But if you're watching, this is for you. The old two-tire fire. Well, she rides like a spring suspension bobtail.
Which it is.
And the old 6.0's got a nice chest full of beef. Can't wait to get back to the house and get a cold one. It's the next day now. A few guys I haven't seen in a really long time I went to the old indoctrination station with, or public school, whatever you want to call it. Came over at some point late last night, stayed till early this morning. And at some point the shine came out. That's always a good time. We got a good payload in the old freezer now. And the only thing keeping me from bringing that thing over here and starting this flatbed build is I got to get some of these things out of the salvage yard that I call a driveway. And speaking of salvage yard, this thing's turned out pretty mint. Never get DHHD and forget you sprayed goof off on the old company letters. The paint really doesn't like that. Other than a few cosmetic things, she's ready to go. Thought fire's right up now. Has the traditional Ford exhaust leak that they've had since the 90s. A few things like this trim piece that are missing still, but I've got all the codes cleared. She loves every bit of the ketchup. Waiting on cab mounts, a few lights, just little things. I'm not going to worry about the tailgate. I'll let the next owner deal with all that. But I tell you what, if I still had a piece of land like I used to, I would never get rid of this thing. This is the perfect rig to just tear up on a ranch and basically treat like total shit, and it's not going to care. These 6.2s is all you see out in the oil field getting their ass kicked every day. These things are just made to take an ass whooping and have no power. Kind of like my old 7.3s. Here pretty soon I'll have these two things out of here and bring the old V10 over here and start the build. And hell yeah, she's getting stacks.